It's finally opening day. I've been working outside all day. It's finally a nice day, and it's going to be the first day in a long time that hasn't been raining, and it's going to be the last day in a while that isn't raining either. So we're getting some stuff done. After today, I won't be behind anymore. I have my little onion bed tilled up ready to go there, and I'm going to get some beets and carrots in. The asparagus is coming up that we planted last year. A little bit at a time here. Steve's been able to make it once, and I think today he's going to have a little bit more, so he's enjoying that. And this is where my potatoes and sweet potatoes are going to go this year. So we tilled up part of it, and I got potatoes in. The sweet potatoes will be later, but I feel like I'm off to a great start. We finally got the plastic down off the run. It's that time of year. And got their fence put back up so that I can start planting my garden without worrying about them in it. So hopefully this is their last day running around in the yard. Although that's hope, and hope always is able to get out of any fence that I've ever put up. So she'll probably be out gardening with me this summer, but she's pretty good. Mowed the yard today for the first time. It sure looks pretty and green. Well, this is the hen that had the bumblefoot, and she's doing better on her foot. See if I can get her to walk. See, she's using her foot better. She does better at times too. This is Rox. But unfortunately, we've created a monster with her. I didn't mean to, but I did. So I'm trying to get her back in with the flock, and it's not going so well. Watching, guys. I hope you have a great week, and I will catch you the next time.